Hello friends, let's start with the investor. The investor says that he's in stock market since 2017 and he has bought and sold many companies and has made all kind of mistakes. And he has mentioned the mistake as well, which is exiting during the stock market crash of 2020 and early profit booking and selling out multi-bagger IPO stocks like DMart after listing. So one good thing is that he's admitting that these are the mistakes that he had made, which is the first step of learning, because unless you accept, you will not be able to learn. And sir, we all make mistakes in the beginning. What is important is that you stay in the market and keep learning from the market. And he has mentioned that he wants to be now more disciplined and have a structural approach for long-term investing. And he wants to hold these stocks for next 15 to 20 years. And he has also mentioned that currently his portfolio has 37 stocks and he wished to reduce it to 25 stocks. So 37 stocks we will not be able to review in detail, which are common stock and good companies. We will not spend too much time on those. But if there is any new company or a company on which I do not have much trust in terms of providing long-term return, then we will discuss those. So let's start. Total invested amount is 9,11,000 and current value is 11,41,000. Currently the portfolio is up by 18% and there is a profit of 4,39,000. So first company is Delta Corp and the invested amount is just 4,000. Currently there is a loss of 170 rupees, and let's not consider this minus 37.2. I don't know what that is. It's not even the percentage of loss. So let's not burn too much brain on this. We'll just talk about the profit and loss. This company is from the gaming industry and it is the largest gaming company in India, and it operates casinos in Goa, Sikkim, Daman, and it is into online gaming as well, wherein it has a site which is known as adda52.com. Recently the company's profit have been increasing and right now they are posting profit which they have not posted in the last 10 years. So for a short-term basis, this company might do well. I am not very confident on this company. If we take the range 15 to 20 years, there is a possibility that it may do well as well, but it is very difficult to say. Reason one is that in the last 15 years, this company has given just return of 400% and the company's profit are also not very stable. Third is that there can be policies, regulation from the government side at any time. They can also increase the tax percentage, which can impact the revenue and the business of these type of companies. So from a long-term point of view, I have doubt on this company. For a short-term basis, if you want to play, you can look into this company. But since the amount that you have invested is just 4,000, the choice is yours, whether you want to keep it and book profit once it goes up, or you want to just sell this company and book a loss of 170 rupees and then invest in long-term company. Next company is Divi's Lab. Invested amount is 48,000 and currently there is a profit of 29% on this share. With this company, you can continue. This is a leader in the API business and the demand for API can increase in the future also. Right now also, if you want to add and build more position on this company, you can do that. Share is available at a very good discount at a very strong support. So you can think about this company. Next company is Dr. Lal Path Lab. Invested amount is 21,000 and current value is 20,000. Currently there is a loss of 500 rupees. This is a good company. You can continue with this company. This also is currently available at a very good discounted price. If you want and have conviction, you can increase your holding on this company also, because the business that it works into, it is still dominated by unorganized player. And in the next 5, 10, 15 years, this company is going to consolidate and the market share from the unorganized player is going to come to these kind of companies. So you can stay invested in Dr. Lal Path Lab. It's a good company. Next company is Nykaa. Invested amount is 36,000 and currently there is a loss of 13,000 on this stock. Now this company's business is good, but the only problem with this company right now is the valuation. The valuation is too weird. Generally, I do not care about valuation much, but whenever the valuation is above 150 or 200, then I generally avoid those company. So it is your call whether you want to stay invested in this company or not. Currently there is a loss of 13,000. You may recover that loss, but nobody knows how much time it is going to take. Next company is Green Panel Industries. Invested amount is 6,200 and currently there is a loss of 400 rupees. This is a small cap company in the business of manufacturing plywood, medium density fibers, which are also known as MDF. It's a good company. It's growing its profit at a good rate and you have also invested a small portion in this company, so you can continue with this company. Next company is HCL Technologies. Total investment is 5,200 and current value is 6,700. Currently it is showing a profit of 8,400 rupees. 8,400 rupees profit does not tie up because the current value is just 6,700 and the invested amount was 5,200. Maybe it also includes the dividend, but I'm not sure. I do not use this app, so I'm not sure what is wrong. If somebody is aware, then they can mention it in the comment section so that we can all know what it is. But let's discuss the company, which is more important. In terms of fundamental, HCL Technology is an excellent company. It ranks in the top 3 IT company in India and it has been very consistent in the period of last 10 years. It has provided consistent returns to its shareholders and the profit of the company is also increasing at a consistent rate. A good company, you can keep it in your portfolio. Next company is HDFC Bank. Invested amount is 54,000, current value is 74,000. Currently it's showing a profit of 20,000. This company, no doubt about it, you can keep it. It's a leader in the private sector bank, so you can absolutely continue with this company. Next company is HDFC Life Insurance Company. Invested amount is 28,000. Current value is 47,000. Currently it is showing a profit of 20,000. So the investor has invested in this company at the right price. This is also a good company. Insurance sector has very good future in India because the penetration is still very less. So you can continue with this company. Next company is Hindustan Unilever from the FMCG sector. Total invested amount is 28,000. Current value is 34,000, and currently there is a profit of 7,000. This also is a good company in the FMCG sector. It has various well-known products that we all use in our daily lives. It's a company where you can grow your returns safely. It may not be able to provide you exceptional return, but it will provide you decent returns, and those returns will be better returns than the returns that we get on the fixed deposit. Next company is SDFC. Invested amount is 55,000. Current value is 70,000, and there is a profit of 16,000. This also is a good company, and ultimately it's going to get merged with SDFC Bank, so a no-brainer here as well. Please continue. Next company is ICICI Bank. Invested amount is 17,000. Current value is 41,000, and there is a profit of 35,000. With this bank also you can continue. This is the second largest private sector bank in India, and this bank is also doing very well in terms of its profit growth, in terms of reducing the NPAs, so you can continue with this bank. Next company is ICICI Lombard. Invested amount is 33,000. Current value is 45, and the total return have been 14,000. With this company also you can continue. This again is from the insurance sector, which has good potential in the future. Next company is Indian Energy Exchange, IEX, and the company after that is Indraprastha Gas. Both are from the energy sector. I generally avoid this sector because this sector in the past has not provided consistent return. So if you also don't have much conviction on this company, you can try to remove this company from your portfolio. But in case you have conviction, then please do your research and then stay with this company. IEX invested amount is 38,000. Current value is 33,000. For Indraprastha Gas, the total cost is 21,000. Current value is 25,000, and it is showing a profit of 14,000. Next company is Infosys, the second largest company in the IT sector in India. Invested amount is just 5,000, and the current value is 9,000. For Infosys, you can definitely hold. It's a sector which is going to perform well in future and which is going to be very essential also in future. So a definite hold for Infosys. Plus you can increase your allocation in this company if you want. Next company is ITC, again from the FMCG sector. This company has started performing well now, but if you look at previous year's data, the company has been flat for a long period. If you want to keep a company which is safe and which will keep providing you dividend, then you can continue with this company. Fundamentally, there is nothing wrong with this company. It's just the return portion which is not that great. Next company is Jubilant Foodwork. Invested amount is 38,000. Current value is 29,000. This also is a good company fundamentally. It owns franchise of Domino's, Dunkin' Donuts, Popeye. And in the coming future, this company can continue to perform well because this company is focusing on expanding its presence all across the country. So you can hold this company for long term. It may provide you good return. Next company is KPIT Technologies. Invested amount is 11,000. Current value is 14,000. This company, as the name suggests, belongs to the IT sector. It comes in the small and medium size IT company. This also is a good company doing very well, and your allocation amount is also less in this company. So you can continue with this company. Nothing wrong with this company fundamentally. So guys, there will be a lot of companies which are fundamentally good. Their business is good. They are doing good as well. But obviously you cannot have all the companies in your portfolio. What you need to ensure is that the companies that you have in your portfolio, on those companies you should have very good conviction. Now let's go fast now. Next is Asian Paint, Avenue, Supermart, Bajaj Finance. All these three companies are good companies. You can continue for long term. Then we have CDSL, Clean Science and CAMS. CDSL and CAMS are good companies, but their performance will be dependent on the share market performance. If you decide to hold these companies, the fluctuations will be there. If you are a person who can survive the fluctuation and has a very long-term perspective, then these companies can do well in future because the business of the company is good. And in India also, the share market penetration is still very less. As in when it start increasing and more people start coming to share market, these companies are going to benefit. The third company is Clean Science Technology. This also is a good company, a newly listed company. The profit of the company is growing at a good rate, so you can continue with this company. Let's look at the allocation that you have done to this company. So the allocation that you have done is just 7,000. So that's fine. You should put only a small amount in this newly listed companies. Next company is L&T, and the invested amount is 29,000. Current value is 60,000, and currently it is showing a profit of 50,000. This is a good company and a heavyweight in the construction sector. This company will definitely provide you returns safely, but the returns may not be very high. I am at the chart for Larsen & Toubro, and you can see in the 5 years this company has provided just 50% return. And if you also look at the maximum chart pattern, you can see that this company is going up definitely, but the fluctuations is very high. It's not going like a consistent compounded chart pattern, because of which even if you hold this company for long term, you will not be able to get good returns out of this company. Next company is Lemon Tree Hotels. Invested amount is 21,000, current value is 17,000, and currently there is a loss of 4,000. This company belongs to the hospitality industry, and from this industry also getting consistent return has been very difficult. I would have avoided this company. Next company is PI Industry. Invested amount is 8,000, current value is 29,000, and currently there is a profit of 47,000. PI Industry is a good company from the agrochemical space. If you want, you can also increase your holding in this company because this company has been growing its profit at a consistent rate and has provided consistent return to the shareholders also. Next company is Pidilite Industry. Invested amount is 9,900, current value is 13,800, and currently there is a profit of 12,000. This company also no doubt you can hold. This is a consistent compounder company. From last 1.5 year it is facing some pressure, but eventually these type of company will come back and will provide you very decent return. Next company which we have is Reliance Industry. Invested amount is 19,000, current value is 23,000, and currently there is a profit of 13,000. This company also you can continue. This company is now focusing more on the green energy sector. So there is high possibility that this company can do well in future also. Next company is Syngene International. Invested amount is 26,000, current value is 50,000, and there is a profit of 24,000. This company again is from a pharma sector which has not provided consistent return. Only one company has provided consistent return in the pharma space whose core business is not medicine, but the business of that company is manufacturing APIs, and that company is Davis Lab. Apart from that, there is no company which has provided consistent return, and you can see for yourself. Profit compounding for this company has been in single digits for the period of 5 years, 3 years, and 12 trailing month. And the stock price CAGR for 5 years has been 13%. Only in the last 3 years it has provided good returns. So for a short term this company might be okay, but for the long term I am not very confident on this company providing consistent returns. Next company is Tata Motor. This company is from the auto sector, which again has the same problem, not being a consistent compounder or a consistent return provider. But if you bought this company keeping EV in mind, then you can continue to hold it. Tata Motors is also going through a lot of change. So there is a possibility that this company might do well in future. So if you have conviction, you can hold this company. Next company is Tata Power. This again is from the energy sector. Earlier this company was not doing very well because it was producing energy through non-renewable resources. But now company has changed its focus and it is now moving towards renewable energies. So with this company also you can continue if you have conviction on this company. Next company is Titan. Invested amount is 40,000, current value is 54,000, and currently there is a profit of 14,000. This company you can definitely continue. This is a consistent compounder company which has provided 30% CAGR to its shareholders over the period of 10 years. And this company has all the potential to grow and become a big company in future also. So you can stay with this company. Next we have Trent, which again is from the Tata Group. It belongs to the retail sector. This also is a good company. You can continue to hold it. Next company is United Spirits. Invested amount is 11,000, current value is 10,000, and currently there is a profit of 2,300. And this also is a company which may provide you return in the long term, but the return will not make you very happy. And there will be a lot of fluctuations in that journey. There will be a lot of ups and downs. And there are high chances that you may not be able to hold this company also for long term. So I would have personally avoided this sector. Next company is VR Logistics. Invested amount is just 5,000, current value is 5,400. There is a loss of 200 rupees. VRL Logistics is a okay company. You can see that the profit of the company has started increasing, and similarly the CAGR of the company has also showing good progress. So it's a okay company on an average company from my side. If you have conviction, you can continue with this company, but it is a small cap company, so your allocation should also be small in this company. The last company is Zomato. Investor amount is 46,000, current value is 33,000, and currently there is a loss of 13,000. As of today, if you ask me, I would have avoided this company. The simple reason being that this company has still not posted profit. And I follow this rule that if a company is not posting profit, then I will not invest in that company. I will wait for the company to start posting profit and then I will think of investing in that company. That's the basic rule that I am following. And this is one rule which has also helped me to stay away from Zomato and Paytm. If you want, you can also follow this rule for the companies going forward. This rule will help you eliminate a lot of bad companies. And I'm not saying that Zomato or Paytm are bad companies. They can very well become multi-bagger in the future also. But in order to become multi-bagger, they need to first post profit. And once they start posting profit, we will monitor their quarterly results, and if we see that the quarterly numbers are increasing at a good rate, then we can think of investing in that company. And this rule is not something very unique. This is something which you would have followed in your real life. For example, let's say Mr. A and B have come to you for your money. Mr. A runs a restaurant which is going into losses, and Mr. B runs a restaurant which is generating good profit, and his restaurant is also in the prime location, which is equivalent to the moat or the competitive advantage that the companies have in share market. And he's asking you money for expansion to open more restaurant. So I'm sure your obvious choice will be Mr. B and not Mr. A. But when it comes to share market, we generally do not apply these things. Don't take me wrong, but this happens with everyone. When we enter the share market, we become very greedy. All of us want to double, triple our money in 2-3 months time. This happens with most of us. But what is more important is learning from the mistakes and keep moving forward, because share market is the only place which can change your life forever. If you deal with that correctly with your set rules, guidelines and principles, then it will be very hard for you to lose money, and it will become very easy to earn money in the long term. So as you mentioned earlier, that from 37 you want to bring the number of companies down to 25, which means that you want to remove 12 companies. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to provide you the bottom 15 companies from my side, so that you just don't blindly follow my advice. And one more thing is that these 15 companies are the bottom 15 companies from your portfolio. This does not mean that these are bad companies. If I do a ranking of the companies in your portfolio, then these 15 companies falls at the bottom. And the 15 companies that I'm going to mention, these are not in any order. I'm just going by your screenshots. From this screenshot, companies falling in the bottom 15 would be Delta Corp, Nika. From this screenshot, I will not change anything. From this screenshot, companies would be IEX, Indraprastha Gas, ITC. From this, the companies would be CDSL and CAMS. Then it would be L&T, Lemon Tree and Syngene International. From this screenshot, it will be Tata Motors, Tata Power, United Spirits, VRL Logistics. And the last will be Zomato. So these were the companies which fall under the bottom 15 companies from your portfolio. One disclaimer that these are all my views. Please do your own research and study, and then only take any buying or selling decision. So that's all in this video. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. This will motivate me to make more videos. And also, if you have any suggestion or if you want me to make a video on any specific topic, you can mention it in the comment section. And if you are new to this channel, do hit the subscribe button so that you can get regular update whenever there is a video uploaded. So bye for now. We'll meet in the next video with some new information. Thank you.